Welcome to week 7. Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is staying home safe and healthy in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. This is the 7th week of our class. By this point, we have covered more than 3/4 of the course. We have only 2 weeks left in the course. As usual, every Sunday, I will send an announcement letting you know what's coming up for the week. So here we go. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented below. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. This week, only one new chapter or the equivalent of 2 weeks worth of work. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar of Canvas. Here's a summary of what's coming up due this week. This week, we are going to be studying Chapter 12, Services and Settlements. Please read pages 430 to 457. Remember to also look at the PowerPoints, read the study guides, and watch the lecture videos. It is a good idea to complete the next set of key concepts for Chapter 12 as you read the class material. This will be due the last week of the class, that is next week. Map quiz number 4, Asia, is available today, May 17th, and due Saturday, May 23rd by 11:59 p.m. I just wanted to point out that I made a small mistake, and it was pointed out to one of your classmates. On the map quiz number 3, Europe and Russia assignment, I did not have a due date. The due date was Friday, May 15, as I announced it in my weekly announcement. If this issue caused any problems or uncertainties, please forgive me. As a result, I extended the due date to tonight, May 17th, just in case. Reflection number 4, available today, May 17th, and is due Sunday, May 24th by 11:59 p.m. I will get caught up on the grading for the latest reflection assignments that have been submitted. Related to the last section, an astonishing number of students are missing assignments. The class is going to be over in less than 2 weeks. We are past the half point of the class. When are these missing assignments going to be completed? Remember that you can always submit assignments even past the deadline, but the farther away you are from the deadline, the more points will be deducted. Once the class is over in June 1st, you won't be able to submit anything. Be safe and healthy and have a great rest of the week, and we will see you online.